side of the road this morning. Well, he's not so little, actually. There, little fella. Hey, little fella. Hey, little fella. Where you going? Yeah, you stay off the road. Well, we're off of Highway 6. Gonna take Highway 5 here. See where it takes us? We're in the Northwest Territories. Gets narrower. See if we figure out the right direction, and looks like it's going to be a nice sunny day. So we are here. Yes, we're going to get the boat unloaded here and get out on the water. It looks nice. So get everything unstrapped and get her unloaded. Boat's loaded. Let's go find a spot. Maybe tomorrow we'll go see if the beach is all nice. We'll find a spot, see if we can find fish. Oh, I think we got something there. Holy moly. Something nice, I think. Come on, show yourself. Oh, let's see what we got. Oh, he's a fighter. He's a fighter. Oh boy. I'll get the hook out of him. cleared out enough yet. Okay, come around here. Come around here. Okay, come on. Let's let him go. Maybe 5 pounds. We got something on here. Bounce you around. Kind of hard to fill him, and ooh, he wants to go. He is, I think he's a pretty big one. I would think that it's pike. Oh boy, come on. Just like dragging a log. Ooh. Easy guy. Oh, back here. Back here. Spit it out. There we go. That was nice and easy. Nice little beach on the end of the lake here. There is another one over there you can't get to. They've got bike trails. They can take their ATVs to get here. You see all sand toys and kid toys they brought out. Just water's a little cold here in this lake, but kids love the beach. Sand is just awesome here. Yeah, let's go see if we can catch another fish. There's a nice one. Wow. He's got to be 7 pounds, maybe more. I got to get the hook out of him and let him go. He's too big for me to keep. I keep him, I can't eat him all. I'll catch a nice little one. Big as a boat. Gotta put him back, he's too big. Oh, look at that. Enough for now. Time to go have some supper, I think. We'll have a little look. We're gonna have a dead battery here, so be a few minutes. Fishing spot. See what we find there. I don't know if you can hear anything with the engine running, but yeah. 10 p.m. Wow, water is just like glass. A beautiful evening. (11:30 p.m.) There's a panoramic. Beautiful little lake here. Yeah, they're biting. A couple of big ones followed my hook and big. That one there snapped the line off twice before I could even get the camera turned on. So, let's see if he comes back. I might have to come back tomorrow for him. See what happens. Here we have, he's biggie. He's got to be 15 pounds. Gotta see if I can get him. If I can get him unhooked. He's gonna just tow me around the lake. He goes where he wants. Oh, he's 3 feet long. Kind of got me in the shallows here. See if we can measure him. There's 3 feet. And he is over 3 feet. How long are you? How long are you, little fella? Let's see what you got. 42 inches. Yeah, he's got the hook just one side of his mouth there. Let's see if we can let you go. Yeah. He's tired. He's a biggie. Well, 10 minutes ago we're watching the sun go down and already there's a moon. It looks like it's just about full, so yeah, I'm not sure what day is full moon, but yeah, I think it's maybe tonight. There's one big full moon. He's slowly coming up there. This water is just, lake is just gorgeous. It just reflects. Sun is already gone, but it just reflects. Beautiful. You know, have a good night.